Do you know many people are having trouble with removing unwanted applets from their Logitech G19S keyboard? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Applet menu. Start with hitting the menu button on your G19S keyboard to open the Applet menu. Step 2. Highlight Applets option. Next, use the arrow keys to highlight Applets option and press the OK button. Step 3. Search LCD applet. Now, with the use of arrow keys, search through the applets list to find the LCD demo applets you wish to remove. Step 4. Access applet options. Hit the Options button to open the menu for the selected applet. Step 5. Confirm removal. Navigate to remove using the arrow keys and press OK to confirm removal. Step 6. Repeat for removal. Repeat steps 3 to 5 for every LCD demo applet you wish to remove. By now, you should have successfully removed any unwanted LCD demo applets from your Logitech G19S keyboard. Happy typing! Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There, you will also find questions and answers from other Logitech users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.